In 500 g prawns, I'll add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, salt, some sugar and lemonade. I'll mix them well and marinate it for 30 minutes. In a hot pan, I'll add 1 tablespoon ghee and roast the prawns well. I'll keep them aside. In hot oil, I'll add 1 bay leaf, and 1 cardamom. I'll fry them well. I'll add 1 finely chopped onion. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and fry them well. I'll add 1 finely chopped tomato and some tomato puree. I'll fry them for 5 minutes and add red chilli powder, cumin and coriander powder, turmeric powder and salt to taste. I'll mix them well and add some sugar. I'll fry it for 5 minutes. Then add half cup water . I'll add 1 fried onion . I'll add coriander and mint . And put all the fried prawns and mix it well for 5 minutes. I'll add water and cook it in low flame for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, your prawn is ready. Serve it with rice. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and comment. Subscribe and hit the bell icon.